Have you ever been in a meeting where someone said, let's circle back and take this offline? And you just nodded your hand like you understood everything. Don't worry, you are not alone. Corporate slangs can feel like completely different language. But once you understand it, not only will it follow conversations better, but actually you will sound more confident and professional. Hello, this is Nirja and I am a corporate trainer. And in today's video, I am going to break down 10 most commonly used corporate slangs with meanings and real life examples so that you can actually use them. Let's get started. Number one, circle back. Let's circle back on this. This simply means let's discuss this later. For example, we don't have enough time right now, let's circle back tomorrow. So use it whenever discussion is going off track or time is limited. Number two, take it offline. Let's take this offline. This means let's discuss this privately, not in this meeting. For example, this is a detailed issue. Let's take this offline. It helps to keep meetings short and focused. Number three, bandwidth. I don't have the bandwidth. This means I do not have enough time or capacity right now. For example, I would love to help you, but I do not have the bandwidth this week. Much professional than saying I am too busy. Number four, deep dive. Let's do a deep dive. This means analyze something in detail. For example, let's schedule another meeting to deep dive onto this topic. It shows seriousness and analytical thinking. Number five, low hanging fruit. Let's focus on this low hanging fruit first. I remember my boss used to use this term, this phrase quite a lot. And it was very difficult for us to actually catch those low hanging fruits, but it means easy wins or tasks that are quick to complete. For example, before big changes, let's tackle the low hanging fruit. Number six, on the same page. Are we on the same page? This means, do we all agree or understand the same thing? For example, before we proceed, I want to know if we are on the same page. This is a great method to avoid miscommunication. Number seven, skin in the game. Do they have skin in the game? It simply means, do they have something at stake? For example, we need stakeholders who actually have the skin in the game. It simply means having someone reliable for the work that is being done. Number eight, move the needle. This won't move the needle. This means it won't make a significant impact. For example, we need ideas that actually move the needle. It sounds very strategic and results driven. Number nine, elephant in the room. Let's address the elephant in the room. It means an obvious problem that no one is talking about. For example, the elephant in the room is poor communication. It is bold but very effective. We need to use it carefully. Number 10, touch base. Let's touch base. This means connect briefly or check in. For example, let's touch base next week for the updates. Perfect for follow-ups without sounding too formal. So these were some simple corporate slangs, and now imagine using these in your next meeting. You will not only understand better, but you will also come across someone who is confident and professional. But here's the key. Do not overuse them. Use them naturally wherever they actually fit. If you found this useful, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more practical communication tips. And tell me in the comment section which corporate slang have you heard the most. I'll see you in the next video.